Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to Chemistry Online Classes. Today we are going to discuss about atomic structure chapters. It's NEET JEE topic. Okay, my dear students, we are discussing about quantum numbers. After that, we are going to discuss once again. We are going to discuss about rules of the principle, Hund's rule of multiplicity. That and all there in earlier video of principle. In this above principle, what is there, my dear students? Above principle, what it says? Lowest energy levels, lowest orbital fills first, later higher orbital fills. Correct? No. Lowest energy orbital fills first. Lowest energy orbital fills first. Like 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4s. 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f. Then, my dear students, 6s, 6p, 6d, like that. So 1s fills first, next 2s, my dear student, then 2p, 3s, then 3p, 4s, then 3d, 4p, 5s, then 4d, 5p, 6s, then 4f, 5d, 6p. Like this filling of electron takes place. So this is about, one which having lower energy, 1s orbital having low energy. So 1s orbital fills first, then 2s orbital, then 2p orbital. Electron will go to 1s orbital first, then 2s orbital, then 2p orbital. Understood? Okay, this is actually given. Above principle, my dear students. Okay, that means lowest energy orbital fills first, that is called Aufbau principle. Then one more is Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle. My dear students, in Pauli's exclusion principle, what it says? Each orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. My dear students, for example, 1s orbital is there. This 1s orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons, not more than 2 electrons, with the opposite spin. Because one is plus half, spins in plus half, another one spins in minus half. Understood? That is called opposite spin. Opposite spin. Okay. Each orbital contains maximum 2 electron with opposite. For example, 2s orbital. 2s orbital contains 2 electron with the opposite spin. Understood? Or 2px orbital. 2px orbital contains 2 electron. Or 2py orbital. This 2py orbital contains 2 electrons. In all this case, my dear students, each electron spins in opposite direction, plus half and minus half. Understood? It is about Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay, my dear students, next we are going to discuss about Hund's rule of multiplicity. Hund's rule of, is pronouncing is Hund's rule is there. Hund's rule of multiplicity, electron multiplicity, or Hund's rule of multiplicity. Okay, my dear students, in this rule, the very simple way I can explain that particular, imagine carbon, nitrogen atomic number is 7, correct? 7 means 7 electron. That means 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. That means in p it contains 3 orbital, d contains 5 orbital, and f contains 7 orbital. These orbitals are called degenerate orbital. Same energy orbital px, py, pz. These 3 orbitals are called same energy orbital. Same energy orbital. So this d contains 5 orbital: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. These 5 orbitals. These 5 orbital having same energy. Same energy. So this is called degenerate orbital. Like f orbital. F orbital contains 7 different f orbitals. fx, yz, fz, xy, like that. 7 different orbitals are there. That 7 orbitals are same energy, having same energy. So it is called degenerate orbital. Degenerate orbital. My dear students, in this case, nitrogen having 7 electrons. So 2p having 3 electrons. That means I can write like this: 2px, 2py, 2pz. Correct? These 3 orbitals are same energy orbital. One mother, 3 childrens. Understood? One mother only, 3 kids. And that I will write box: 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. So we have 3 electrons in our pocket. 3 electrons. How we can distribute these electrons? 1 electron first, because when you distribute the electrons, you should distribute 1 electron to this box, 1 electron to this box, 1 electron. That means same degenerate orbital, that means same energy orbital should filled with the 1 electron first. Later pairing takes place. If there any extra electron is there, then you can add to this. Understood? Pairing at the beginning is not possible. That was explained by this particular. My dear students, again it is explained. Okay, then later one more term we are going to discuss, my dear students, is actually about fluorine. 9. Okay, fluorine atomic number is 9. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 4, 5 is there. Correct? No? 5. That means, my dear students, P5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, sorry, P, not 5. Sorry. Okay. Px, Py, Pz. 3 orbital. 2px, 2py, 2pz. 3 orbital. But we have 5 electrons in our pocket. You have to distribute these 5 electrons to these 3 kids: px, py, pz, 3 orbitals. How we can distribute these 5 electrons to this 3 orbital? First you have to give away with 1 electron, means each orbital should get 1 electron first. So you are giving 1 electron for this one, 1 electron for this one, 1 electron. So these 3 are same energy orbital. So you should give first 3 electron, single electron to 3 orbitals. Understood? Okay. Now remaining 2 electrons, where I can give? I should give next 2 electron from here, opposite spin, 2px, 2py. This will be single electron, unpaired electron. Understood? So some of the students may ask, sir, can I give? See, I can give like this, no? At the beginning only 2 electron and 4, 5. No, it's not like that. Understood? At the beginning you should distribute with the single electron. Each orbital should get 1 electron. Later if there is an extra electron is there, they can give like this. Understood? Like this. This is called Hund's rule of multiplicity. Degenerate orbital first filled with the single electron, later pairing will take place, is called Hund's rule of multiplicity. Okay. My dear students, one more rule is given. In that rule, n plus L rule, one which having highest, see in n plus rule, first rule says that also explained in board class, one which having if 2 atomic orbital is given, 2 atomic orbital. So which one has highest energy level, means one which having highest n plus L value is called highest energy orbital. Orbital having highest n plus L value, highest energy orbital. Energy orbital. This is first rule. Second, if you take two orbital having same n plus L value, for two orbital, then one which having high n value is considered as high energy orbital. High energy, that means, for example, 3 and 4 is there, 3s or 3p or 4s, like this. 4, okay, have to check, my dear students, we will check once, okay. For 3p, n plus L value is how much, my dear students? N is 3, third energy level. L is, for p is 1, my dear students. S is equal to 0, L is equal to, for p is equal to 1, and D is equal to 2, F is equal to 3, correct? That is 4. Okay, my dear students, in 4s, my dear students, you can see 4 plus 0, S value is 0, that is 4. In this one, what we can see means both n plus L value for 3p and 4s are same. For n plus L value for 3p and 4s are same. So which one having highest energy orbital, whether this one having higher energy orbital, this one having higher energy orbital, that you have to check. In this one which having highest n value means which orbital? N is equal to 4, this is n is equal to 4, in this case n is equal to 3, this having highest n value, 4s. So this will 4s will be considered as a highest energy orbital compared to 3p. Even though its n plus L value are same, you should go for n value. N means energy level, first level, second level, like this. Here it is third level, this is fourth level. 4 is highest energy. Okay.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.